How long does a quality review take in Chegg? Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial, we are diving into a common question among Chegg users. How long does a quality review take? If you have ever submitted content to Chegg for your review, you may have wondered about the timeline for the review process. So let's explore. When you submit content to Chegg for review, whether it's a textbook solution, study guide, or other educational material, it enters the quality review process. This process is crucial for ensuring that the content meets Chegg's standard for accuracy and quality. The time taken for a quality review can vary based on several factors. The complexity of the content, the current workload of the reviewing time, and the specific policies and procedure of Chegg all play a role in determining the review time. While there is no fixed time frame for a quality review in Chegg, in general, the goal is to complete reviews in timely manner. This ensures that accurate and high-quality content is available to users. However, the exact time taken can vary and may not be predictable. If you are experiencing delays or have specific questions about the review process, it's best to contact Chegg's customer support. They can provide you with more information about the status of your review and any expected timelines. So there you have it. While the exact time taken for a quality review in Chegg can vary, the goal is to ensure that accurate and high-quality content is delivered to users in a timely manner. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.